Hey guys, welcome back to the corner. It is Spanky here, and I am doing a spring hop with the Miss Lovely Tanya McGuire and several other YouTubers here. Miss Tanya reached out to me and asked if I would like to join in the spring hop, and I said yes. This is my first one, so I'm a little nervous. I don't know how quite to do this. I've never done a hop like this for crafts and stuff, and I've been struggling, not knowing what to do. But I'm going to give it a try. So my idea is I'm going to Mod Podge this napkin onto a tag here. And I have some butterfly embellishments here that I got done. I purchased them. They were white and I colored the edges pink. And then I added some light pink glitter right here onto them. And they're dry almost. And I glued some flat back pearls on the spine of the butterflies, so I will be adding those into my tag. I have some music paper here I plan to roll up, and I'm going to glue to my tag and then tie a string around it with this gold thread. I have some green glitter and some clear stickles like glitter, and I'll be adding that on to the different areas of the roses. I have some eyelash trim for my tassel, and I have some distress paint I will use to distress my edges. So stay tuned, and be sure to check out the description box below for the other lovely creative YouTubers who are joining in this hop with me and Miss Tanya, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, there you have it, guys. Here's my tag for spring. I love spring. Spring and fall are my favorite seasons. I absolutely love gardening, and I can't wait to get back into it. But yeah, so I have had a blast doing this, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys in my next video. And please don't forget to take a peek at the description box and check out all the other ladies' videos in this hop down below in the description box. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!